Hello, bonjour, 안녕하세요. So, as I'm revising for my upcoming periodontology midterm test, today I will be talking about a topic which is essentially important for us all, dental students. Disclaimer, all the rights belong to their respective owners. I do not own any of the below pictures. I'm still a student. So, let's get started. First of all, we have a summary picture of all the stuff I'm going to give a small presentation about. We have a total of 7 types of osseous defects. So the first type here is horizontal bone loss. It manifests as a somewhat even degree of bone resorption, so that the height of the bone in relation to the tip has been uniformly decreased. Okay, let me emphasize the word uniformly. Because on the other hand, we have vertical or angular bone loss. In this pattern, bone destruction does not proceed in a symmetrical pattern. As you can see here, the base of the defect is located more apical to the alveolar crest. And remember that an individual tooth can have combination bone loss consisting of both horizontal and vertical components. In vertical bone loss, there are 4 subtypes: 1, 2, 3 wall, and combined osseous defects. So for one wall defect, there is only one bony wall remains facing the involved tooth surface. Specifically, it's only distal wall remaining here. And for the two-wall bony defect, it is enclosed by 2 tooth surfaces and 2 osseous surfaces. For the three-wall defect, they are bordered by 1 tooth surface and 3 bony surfaces. So for two-wall, we have distal and lingual. And for the three-wall, we have distal, lingual, and facial walls remaining. And for the combined osseous defect, because the facial wall is half the height of the distal and lingual wall, this is an osseous defect with 3 walls in apical half and 2 walls in the occlusal half. Okay, moving to the next one, bulbous bone contour. So basically, they are bony enlargements that are caused by exostosis, adaptation to function, or even burgeoning bone formation. Exostosis is a benign growth of new bone on top of existing bone. I really love this photo. It's from Dr. Rami Mubarak on Instagram. Sorry if I pronounce his name inaccurately. So you know that the body may attempt to buttress the bony trabeculae that were weakened the time of periodontal bone resorption. This occurs by bone formation within the endosteel surface of the bone, which is central buttressing, or from the outer bony periosteal surface, or peripheral buttressing. The result is a self-like crystal surface with bulbous bone contours. Next is reversed architecture. Why? Why is it reversed? Remember the normal architecture we've normally seen on the above here. So reversed architectural defects are produced by a loss of interdental bone, including the facial place and the lingual place, without a concomitant loss of radicular bone, thereby reversing the normal architecture, as you can see here. And this type of defect is most commonly found in trauma from occlusion. The fifth one, oh my god, we've gone so far. Just kidding. Okay, ledges. These are plateau. I don't know how to pronounce this. Plateau. Okay, these are plateau-like margins of bone, which is caused due to resorption of the thickened bone plates, usually the buccal or labial bone. On the left, we can see defects exposed and ledges seen, and on the right is the condition after ledge removal. How about Osseous crater? Do you recognize that on the names pictographs? You can guess the pattern of this defect just by looking at this picture. So, osseous crater are concavities in the crest of the interdental bone, confined with the facial and lingual walls. The last one, very common one. A furcation defect is bone loss, which is usually from periodontal disease and affects the base of the root trunk of a tooth, where two or more roots meet. So that's basically most common types of osseous defects. Hope you guys enjoyed the presentation much as I do. Have a good day. Bye.